Why is Ram Navami so special? Let's dive into the divine story of Lord Rama's birth. In the grand temples of Ayodhya, learned sages and devotees gathered to recite the Ramayana. They chanted hymns, meditated, and prayed for the arrival of Lord Vishnu's divine avatar, who would bring righteousness back to the world. The atmosphere was filled with devotion as the temple glowed with lamps, and the air resonated with the sacred verses of Lord Rama's glory. In the golden palace of Ayodhya, Queen Kaushalya gave birth to a radiant child, Lord Rama, the incarnation of Lord Vishnu. As the infant lay in her arms, divine light filled the chamber, celestial beings showered flowers, and the people of Ayodhya rejoiced. The kingdom was filled with an air of celebration, and joyous music echoed through the city, marking the arrival of their savior. King Dashratha, overwhelmed with joy, knelt before Queen Kaushalya and baby Rama, offering his heartfelt prayers. The divine child, glowing with celestial energy, was adorned with sacred ornaments, and his presence brought an aura of peace and prosperity. The royal court, priests, and noblemen gathered in reverence, knowing that this child was destined to change the fate of the world. With a heavy heart, he exiled himself to the forest, prioritizing dharma over personal happiness, thus reaffirming his commitment to righteousness and the well-being of his kingdom. As Lord Rama returns to Ayodhya after his long exile, the city erupts in devotion and joy. Seated on a grand chariot, he blesses his people while sages, scholars, and devotees sing hymns and offer prayers. The air is filled with divine chants, symbolizing the triumph of dharma and the long-awaited reunion of a beloved king with his people. After defeating Ravana and completing his exile, Lord Rama returns to Ayodhya with Sita and Lakshmana, radiating divine grace. Hanuman and his devoted brother kneel with folded hands at Rama's feet, their eyes brimming with devotion and joy. The citizens of Ayodhya rejoice in the golden-lit palace, celebrating the return of their beloved king and queen. And so, with Lord Rama's triumphant return to Ayodhya, righteousness was restored, and the people rejoiced in his divine presence. His life continues to inspire us with lessons of duty, devotion, and dharma. Thank you for watching.